We discuss about gurus in Shividya, Siddhauga, Manavga, Divyauga, all Khatre gurus. Apart from that, the style of the gurus are different. Sujaga, Prayaraga, Vajaga, Bodhaga, this kind of different gurus are there. Some gurus are supporting to raise the awareness of the Shishya, that is Bodhaga. Now we are going to discuss about different Diksha system in Shividya. First is Kriyavadi Diksha. The importance of Kriyavadi Diksha is, it is giving in the form of Kriya, of invoke the energy of the Devi on that Kalasham, and after that we will do Abhisheka on the disciple's head. That is Kriyavadi Diksha. Second is Varnamaya Diksha. What is Varnamaya Diksha means? I said the mantras are letters. The letters have different powers, because our psychic power is generating by the words. The negative words can create negative energy, depression, anxiety, stress. But the positive words can create motivation, success, health, everything. So, letters are very powerful. Apart from that, letters can control the breath. Each and every letter are creating different breathing patterns. These letters are actually the arrangements of prana, different chakras, different ways. There are different positions are there. The Sahasrara is Om. The Ajna is Ha and Cha. Then throat chakra is to A to Ah, A, O, this way. From heart there is Ka to Ta. The Kathopanishad is saying some kind of that one. Next is Da to Fa in Manipura chakra. Next is Bala, means Ba to La, Swadhisthana chakra. Next is Vam, Sham, Sam. This will come, the last portion of the letter. Em, Oim, Om, this kind of way. What is the importance of letters means? Each and every letters are different pranayamas actually. The breath is the main thing. If you have the changes in breath, the life circle will change also. The breath is controlling the prana. The prana is controlling our life. If the breath can slow, our mind will be peace. Because the thought process and breath both are interconnected. When we feel fear or anger, this kind of negative emotions, our speed of the breath will increase. If the speed of the breath will increase, life span will decrease. According to the rishis, they are talking a particular numbers of breath. Already we have 72,000 crores something. The breath and the letters are connected. If we take more breath, we can finish our life earlier. If our breath cycle will increase, our immunity will decrease. Mental health will decrease. The breath and emotions are interconnected. When we feel anger or frustration or sadness, our breath will increase. Then we can understand the palpitation, and adrenaline, cortisol hormones will come. Glycogen will turn to glucose. Means immunity will decrease because we are not burning the glucose. We are not doing flight or fight. Our life span will decrease. The different arrangements of the mantras can change the prana and scope of the total life success. Stop our life earlier. So these letters, because is Ma is the final form level of the Omkara. That's why every letters are Omkara actually. Basically it is Omkara. All sound is Omkara. Omkara is the secret of the creation. Omkara is our the reason of our life. The Mandukya Upanishad says, Om ite laksharamidam sarvam tasyo bhavakhyanam. The whole world is Om. It is pervaded from Om. Om ite laksharamidam sarvam tasyo bhavakhyanam. Bhudam bhavat bhavishyati Om sarvam Omkarameva. The past, present and future is also Omkara. Echanat trukala adidam tadapya Omkarameva. Apart from that, having a tense which is not future, present or past, even though that is also Omkara. So, Echana Trigaladiram Tadapya Omkarameva. So I am Atma Chatushpat. This Atma have 4 legs. One is silent, that is Shiva. Next is Jagrat Sapna Sushupti, Vishwan Taijasan Prajnan. This is actually the Vedanta. Actually, Vishwan Srividya is containing everything, all philosophy. So, Vishwan Taijasan Prajnan or Jagrat Sapna Sushupti, wake up stage, dream stage, and deep sleep stage, and silence. That is 4 legs. Every day we are coming from inside to out. So, inside is real. We will come from deep sleep stage to dream stage, wake up world. To open the senses are coming to wake up world. So this world is just 12 hours or 15 hours, which is more basic or which is more extending. That is the world is correct. That is the Sushupti Sthana Prajna. We are in deep sleep stage. After deep sleep, we will wake up and say, oh, I got a good sleep. Who are experiencing this good sleep? Or there is no body conscious, we are in sleepy. So that experiencing person, who is that? Not our personality. There is no awareness. I am Sridhar Namburi or something. That is Atma. So that is more 24 hours. That is there. In deep sleep stage, we are not bothered about our body. No body conscious. So no 5 senses of this. So this world is not correct. The base world is awareness level. That is living in 24 hours. That's why that is real. I'm saying that is real. So that is Jagrat Sapna Sushupti. That is Tripura. 3 cities of Devi. Tripura Sundari. She is the most beautiful existence in Jagrat Sapna Sushupti. Tripura Ambiga. To do the Nyasa on the Shishya and these mantras places and giving the energy of Devi and creating the Aikyam, that means the yoga with the mantra and the deity and the disciple and guru. That is the Varnamayi Diksha.